Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable dark mode on Instagram and iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to enable dark mode for your Instagram app, so let's see how can you do that. So open your Instagram app here, go to your profile up in the bottom right corner, and tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. And here you will not get any setting into your iPhone to change dark mode for your Instagram app. So in your Android phone, you just have to go for the accessibility section, and here you will get a setting for dark mode, but in your iPhone the setting is not available. If you want to enable or get dark mode on your iPhone, so this is a way. Instagram app use your default theme for your iPhones. So if you want to enable dark mode for your Instagram, you must have to enable dark mode for your iPhone first. So open your Instagram or your iPhone settings here, and you just have to scroll down and look for the display and brightness option. Select that, and from here you have to select the dark mode. Once you have selected, your dark mode will be enabled. Once you have enabled your dark mode, you have to relaunch your Instagram app and then open it again. Now here you can see we have successfully set it up dark mode into our Instagram and our iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video, and in the next video, bye bye.